If you want to completely get rid of stuttering, then you need to go through the entire method without skipping anything. I am saying this for those who had clear speech alone without the method. You do not need to selectively pull out from the course the information that, in your opinion, you still lacked in order to speak in public. Do everything in full, since this information will be needed to pull out clear speech at home in public. Now about the course. How many hours a day should you study? While you are studying the method, throw all your free time into it, and once you have completed it, you will not need to allocate separate time for it, since you will be practicing speech in the background, simply entering into a dialogue with someone. What time of day is best to study? Early in the morning after waking up and late in the evening before going to bed. The morning will allow you to warm up your speech apparatus and tune it to clear speech during the day, and the evening will allow you to better remember the new speech actions from the methodology. If such a schedule is unrealistic for you, then study any free time. In this case, without warming up your speech apparatus in the morning. At first you may notice small drops in terms of speech during the day, but when you go through the entire methodology, this ceases to matter, since clear speech will still prevail. How can I make sure that I am doing everything correctly? Or what should I do if I do not understand something? Turn on the video camera, say the number of the video you are working with, tell me the theory and how you understood the technique of performing this or that action. Then demonstrate how you perform this action. Then send me the video for analysis. I watch, look for mistakes. I tell you how to fix them. You fix them and move on.